Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so first off I want to say sorry for the long break, I guess, in videos since my last upload. A lot of shit's been happening, and so I'm back to kind of doing some unboxings. Alright, so the first one I have is something that I requested from a Facebook ad, and it's a soap post ad, I guess. Alright, so what's in here is I had gotten a sample from Redken. One is shim. No, wait. These are I think, bonding concentrate. So it's at some point I'm going to use these. I don't know when. So, yeah. The next one I got is from Zizal. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not quite sure how, I'm not quite sure I remember when I had ordered this. But I remember it was it'll probably be here right around when fall, no, wait, not fall, but, spring gets here, and spring is close. But what Zizal is it's an allergy medicine. And I have had a sample from them in the past. So this is what the box itself looks like. Alright. Let's see. I'm trying to hurry up and open this too. It's it comes with 5 pills. You all saw me open it on camera, so yeah. I'm gonna try that later. Alright, so one more thing I gotta open, which is from Pinch Me. It's been hot. Oh, sorry about that. My nose is itching. I don't have COVID. Alright, so I kind of forgot what I had ordered with Pinch Me for this box. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the box. First thing I see is the BioTrue. I think these are for irritated dry eyes. First I thought it was the eye contact lenses, but it does not feel that way. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to pull out is the Head and Shoulders. This is their hair conditioner, which I can try that the next time I take a shower and I grab up the bottle that is just the conditioner itself. I mean, just the shampoo itself. So, yeah. See, I wonder if I'm able to smell it. Oh, that does smell good. I kind of want to use this lotion, but I'm not going to. Alright, let's see. The next thing I'm going to pull out is this. Oh, this is the shampoo for it. So I don't have to go and dig out the shampoo because I have it right here. Here's the conditioner, and then here's the shampoo. So I got both of those. Well, there's a coupon in here for the Head and Shoulders, and it's for $3 off of the Head and Shoulders, 2 Head and Shoulders Supreme products, which I like Head and Shoulders. I do have a big bottle over there. Alright, and that looks like it is it for this one. Sorry, it's a relatively short video. Sorry, it's I'm looking at how much time has gone by. That's why I have my head right here, so I can see the time. It is almost 5 minutes for the whole video. So, yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and, like, stop this video for now. I don't know when I'm gonna get back in the groove of uploading, because everything that's gone on. Keep thinking that right there, like, something on my screen, but it's not. Alright, so, again, I don't know when I'm gonna upload again. I just want to, like, pop on and show you these samples. So, yeah. Bye, y'all.